Hey, what's up everybody? Rich from Street Gear, Hempstead, New York. Today we're going to review the Alternate 4 Motorsports. Take these out. These are releasing 17th, June 17th. Box price is $190. Color on the box is black, game oil, and matte silver. $190 I said. Okay, we'll use this one here for the review. The Jordan 4 originally came out in '89. Another Tinker Hatfield shoe. Mike wanted a little more support on the ankle, and that's why these two straps here came on the ankles here. So they put that there. They used the mesh here to take some weight off because it has the polyurethane midsole like the threes did. It makes it a little bit heavy, so this took a little bit of weight off, but it's still a pretty sturdy shoe. So that's just, like I said, brief history. This leather here, I haven't seen this leather in a while, in a long time, on a especially on a 190 box, a regular inline Jordan. This is a really, I mean, of course it's multi-grain leather, but it's like butter soft. This is really, really nice. I love the finish of the polyurethane shining with this matte piece here, with that butter soft black leather. It looks really, really hot. I like these a lot. You got the hints of blue here for that motorsport. Like I said, this is the motorsport colorways for his. He doesn't have it anymore, but it was that motocross team that he sponsored. That's where the colorways come from. Got the gray hints here on the eyelets there for the laces. Here on the bottom, you got all three colors. You got your white, your gray, that royal, and the white, and the blue. I'll show you on the bottom. But yeah, no, just to keep on going back to this leather. This leather really, really is definitely a nice addition, I think, by Nike to making it this kind of nice leather. I think that these Jordans should be coming out with quality like this now, and it really, I think, shows up very well. I hope the camera's picking it up, but that looks really hot. I like this a lot. I know I usually say I like a lot of them, but this one here I especially like because of that quality of that leather. Cool Jumpman on the back, that smoothness here on this pull tab here. Inside, you got your orange hang tag there. Let's see what we got inside here. Get this out. Oh, it's got caught here. Okay, yeah, so we got the blue again with the black Jumpman inside there. Okay, we got your Jumpman here with the flight right there on the tongue. Yeah, like I said, I hope this leather is showing up on the camera, but it's really cool looking. I don't know, something about this whole area in here with the black mesh, this black here. This looks really cool. I like it a lot. All right, so we got some hats here to go with it. Yeah, those are cool. What we did was we got two different hats, two different ways you could wear it. I don't know if I can put them up here. Just reversing the blue on the brim. Okay, and then these two bulls here. This is, I think, my favorite hat right here. I'm gonna put this on top. I think that bull's hat right there is probably my favorite. That all looks cool. Pretty easy shoe to match up, but yeah, this definitely I think would be my favorite. That bull's hat right there. So cool looking shoe, cool looking hat. All right, let's go over here real fast. I'll take this box down here with me. We'll pop back to that in a minute. We've got new shoes that came in. These are two Cortezes. These are OG colorways. These are actually usually Cortez like $70. These are two $80. Both of these two colorways. We're gonna head this way now. You've got I've showed you the red ones, the blue ones, the Jordan ones, all suedes. These are pretty cool. This gray. See a little muted color, but you could play this off right with the right clothing. Those are $140. Back here you've got the LeBrons. These are $175. Then you go LeBron Soldiers. These are $130. The Kyries, I believe, are $120, and these are PG ones. These are $110. Paul George. So that's that segment there. Another Air Force High colorway. This is pretty cool. That little metallic look on there. Those are $110. Another color Indestructs. We've had a couple colors in these already. These are $140. This just came in today. The Up Tempos Air. These are $160. Cool. That Air really pops on that colorway like that. That looks pretty cool. These are the pocket knives. These are $130. Looks similar to that silhouette of almost the Boost series from Adidas, but this is a cool shoe. It's been checking, and it's very, very comfortable. This shoe. I mean, the midsole here is gigantic, and how it bends. This is a cool shoe. It's got a lot of good fashion, a lot of good function in that shoe. It's a cool $130. These are the Air Max 90 Flyknits. I've showed you a lot of colorways in this. This is a cool colorway for the summer. This white one with that Flyknit. Looks like a nice. It's nice material for the summer, lightweight. Cool. I just told you about that one. about that Cortez. I was gonna throw this on. I usually don't do grade school Jordans. There's another Jordan 4. This one comes out this Saturday, the 10th. But this is for the 140 box. Like I said, this shoe does go up to size 9.5, and it's got on the box what is it? White, border blue, and light sand. So, I mean, you've had the white and tan come out before, but never with this hint of the blue. You got the blue here, Jumpman. You got the blue right there on the tongue, a little bit on the bottom here. When I look at this shoe, it's a well-made shoe as far as this Jordan 4. This is multi-grain leather, but it's not as smooth as that men's black one is. But this one reminds me of the Jones Beach Air Force, the one I designed. Same colorways, with the tan and that blue highlight for the water. Just a point of reference. The Jones Beach shoe is coming out again. It's going to be, I think, sometime, we're going to shoot, I think, mid-July or end of July, that'll be out. So whoever didn't get a chance to get a pair on those Jones Beach Air Force, they'll be coming out again. So that's it. I figured I'd just throw this on the end of the video. I usually don't, like I said, don't just do grade school only shoes, but that was nice, and it looked like my Jones Beach shoes, so I figured I'd pop it on. All right. So you take your last look at Alternate Motorsports 4s. And the next one I'll probably do is going to be the Red Suede 5s. Do my next review. And that's it. Streak Gear out.